Hey, curious friends, it's Heiner here. So, wanted to provide a quick update on the Jeep and really the drive shafts that we installed recently. We took it on a really fun trip up to the northern parts of New Mexico on a camping trip, and we put our trailer on it so we could test out those differential gears and the new drive shaft that we put in. Did I say transmission earlier? Not bad. Drive shaft. So let me show you exactly what we did. If you have not seen it yet, you can see that we installed these custom drive shafts, front and back. And primarily is because we did the re-gearing, as I said in another video. The re-gearing was done then, and our old factory drive shaft was spinning too fast, caused vibrations. So first and foremost, it solved the vibration issue. We no longer have vibrations at 70 miles an hour. And then the other part was, man, with towing extra weight and handling all of that, we wanted a bit more strength down there, especially with the 35-inch tires that we have. And let me tell you, we took it through some deep mud pits, through up some really steep terrain with the trailer on the back, and it handled flawlessly. And I have nothing but great reviews of these drive shafts, and highly recommend that change if you tow a trailer or you put new gears on. You're starting to notice vibrations coming from the drive shaft. So, all right, stay curious, not judgmental. Until next time.